How to search for any specific message or a file name in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find any missing file, or let's say any particular chat or a message that is lost somewhere in the chaos of the Microsoft Teams. So this is a frequently occurring event that you realize you are in looking for any particular message that you would like, and when you go through the chats and you confuse where that particular chat could be. So in this particular scenario, what you can do is to simply use this smart trick, which is called the search bar. So you can simply go to the search bar and simply search for that particular term, the particular word, or the file name that you are looking for. So for example, let's say if I type in secret and then I hit onto this enter button, you can see I have these options like people, messages, files, and communities. So if I'm looking for any messages that contains the word secret, I'm going to go to messages, and from here you can see that I have received all of the list of the messages that contains the word secret. So as you can see, I have received a message from this guy that contains the word secret, and if I go in, you can see that in this particular message, this is the word that I was looking for. And similarly, if you are looking for any file that contains the word secret, you can click onto files and you will find any file that contains this particular word. So that's how easily you can utilize this technique in order to find any missing files, messages, or people's name as well. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, to make sure to drop a like and also smash that subscribe button. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.